Woo! It's coming down. I think we're gonna make some like some veggie noodle pho tonight. A bunch of carrots, little cubes of tofu, some broccoli. Here, winter camping, we've got some bok choy. Like rip them in half, throw them in. I forgot to put my veggie broth in. Well, it's snowing. Oh, it's really starting to come down now. Let's get our noodles in there. This might just be a dinner in the mountains and heading home. Let's have a nice carrot. Ooh, hot, but yummy. That broth is amazing. There's some noodles. There's some broccoli, some tofu, some bok choy, carrots. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice and hot. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is hitting the spot nicely. Veggie pho. Ooh, yeah. Carrots, noodles.